Yeah, on the phone, riding a red light. You guys have seen so much F8 content on our channel in the last year, but this F8 is very different. And what exactly I mean by that, I'll tell you in just a minute. Today is supposed to be a mother of storms, so we've got literally a couple of minutes to do what we want to do, and I really want to take you guys out for a drive. So what we're going to do is just briefly look at this. Why this F8 is so special is because it is a transition F8. This car is actually going to become an Enlargo. It does have the power upgrade already. That means it's a NOVITEC F8 that has 818 horsepower. The NOVITEC springs have been fitted on here, the exhaust has been fitted on here, and in there, in race, the entire kit that has to still be put onto the F8 to make it an Enlargo is standing on display. And we're going to make another video and showing you exactly how that's done. At some stage, they're going to chop up this F8 behind me. It's got 825 kilometers on the clock. So it's brand new, and it's about to become an Enlargo version. Maurice, and drive the cars here. Tell me if I'm going slightly mental. Slap the back of your dog's head, silly.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
So lots of plastics on here, all the bits and pieces missing that you can normally place onto your F8, some of the carbon fiber parts. The whole car's going to change, become 13 centimeters wider. You know that we redesigned the entire front bumper, so even these lights will have a different look. And then of course the rest of the car is going to change. This vent over here is going to be placed roughly over there, just because the shoulder of this car becomes so wide. That's where the 13 centimeters wideness comes in. And then here at the back, this huge, this wing over here is going to turn into a carbon fiber one. This car already fitted with the NOVITEC exhaust system. The entire rear is also going to be redesigned. The rear bumper, the front bumper, and of course, it's not a bolt-on kit. You don't buy this on eBay and then put in a couple of screws and now it looks wider. That wouldn't make a lot of sense because you'd be adding weight and more things onto the car, making it slower and making it less aerodynamic, even if you give it more power. Parts of this car are literally going to be cut away. And that is something that you can see in another video. Now, there's something else I wanted to say. Oh, yes. Why this F8 is also a very special one. We're in South Africa, so not just as a right-hand drive. The entire exhaust system is from front to back, literally just a NOVITEC exhaust system without the cats. Not a sport cat, a complete D-cat. Why don't we pop into the car and go for a drive before this mother of a thunderstorm actually just pours its rain on us. It feels good to be back in an F8, I can tell you that much. This is ridiculous. It's a different kind of quick, and it just feels very, very much more like that when you're here in South Africa. Imagine what it'll feel like at sea level. That's ridiculous. The Enlargo will take you to 102.6 seconds. See what I mean? Having those cats removed makes the dogs bark a lot louder. Sack of noodles. Yo, people. How's it, man? It's very, very tail happy. Ferrari offers you that side slip angle control, which is basically, as we've said numerous times, their way of making you feel like you can drive, which makes me very grateful. It just feels better driving a car here. Roads are worse, people love it though. straight asphalt, or is it worse here? Bloody heck. This is slap the back of your dog's head silly. Oh, unenjoyable at that, to be honest with you. Are we driving in race mode? I do not have the traction control off. I'm also not interested in trying that bit. No, no, no. Yeah. This motor just sounding so good. That is ridiculous. Come on. Yeah, on the phone, riding a red light. I asked them, I said, why do you guys not stop at red lights? They're like, oh no, red lights, they're just suggestions. So if you'd like to, you can stop. Not needed. Anyways guys, it's been phenomenal. Thank you very, very much for joining us on this very short F8 excursion. We shall be placing the cameras in the car now in order to take it out for a POV. But you're going to tune in for that next week. If you haven't yet, follow us on Instagram, NOVITEC GROUP, or myself at Beyond the Cock. And then also, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, feel free to do that as well. Love to see you guys there. Until then.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check.